What's up, guys? Alex here again with more Amnesia: The Dark Descent gameplay, and I just missed that last time. I see that. So when we left off, dogs were dying, and this window broke. Now I'm on a ledge, and there's a tinderbox out here for some reason. So I'm just gonna carefully maneuver my way around, ignoring whatever might be down there, because I'm a boss. And I ain't scared of shit. Right, cool. So. Is this supposed to be important? Nope. Guess not. Hello. It's too bright. I don't feel like... I could be missing, like, a lot of plot points right now just because I'm not reading any of this stuff, but I don't care. That was loud. Chair. Get out of my face. Okay. No, it's pretty dark. Tinderbox. Alright, tools. Torture tools. Saw blade. Okay. Hammer time. Whoa. Stop. Hammer time. Wait. Hammer time. Oh. What? I got it stuck in the... Oh wow, I got it stuck in the table. Awesome. Hammer. Alright, what's over here? Ooh, hello. Flow cycle rod. Let's see. Instructions. If the elevator breaks down again, make sure to use the steam engine to build up pressure before channeling it into the machinery. Adjust the layers to get a right amount of pressure inside the chamber. The meter should read up 8 and down. Make sure the flow is set according to the following chart. Trinity stream, set functions, 4-phase amplitude, complete steam flow cycle. Note that the machine will not check proper configuration until all rods are inserted. That's what she said. Ooh, what is this? Oh, alright. Avoiding that. Forget I saw anything. Got around. Okay. Let's see. Tinder boxes. Goody. Goodies. Goodies. Any secrets? I don't trust you, Aaron. Alright, I think that's all to discover. Let's go back. I don't know where to, though, but we're just gonna go back. What could be down there? I'm afraid. I don't want to... Oh. Okay. Just a lumberjack doing his job in the woods. Cutting down trees. Killing the forest. Oh, I almost fell there. Holy shit. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here. Run, 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 cause I'm a boss. Run, 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 run. Before anything bad happens. And my worst enemy. Loading screens. Come on. Alright. Let's check this door now. Where does this lead to? Guest room. Sounds comfortable. Will I be welcome? I hope so. This castle is pretty warm. No. Just like home. Just like Mom used to make. What am I even saying? This place is fucking fucked up with bright lights and about to talk.
My journal is gone. What would they want with my journal?
I don't trust you, Ern. Is this my room?
2nd of July, 1839.
Plot, plot, plot. Okay. Is it daytime? It actually broke day in a scary game. There's daylight in a scary game. Just this place. No, these developers got it all wrong. Okay. Hey! Laudanum. Laudanum. I always get the N and the D mixed up. Fuck. Oil. Alright. Let's ooh, I still have the needle? That's cool. Or did I pick that up earlier? Whatever. I don't care. Okay. You look important. Closet. Secret. Shirt! Shirts! Fancy shirt. More shirts. Big drawers, actually. Okay. What happened here? Holy hell. Someone got mad. Or drunk. Yep. I see the wine bottle. Someone went to went into a drunken rage and blasted everything apart. Crowbar! Alright! Let's Gordon Freeman this shit. Give me that. Sweet. Okay, nothing in here. Good of you to actually open for me for once.
3rd of July, 1839.
Plot, 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 plot! Okay. More wine. More drunken rages. Stop raging. Can I sleep? Nah. Daniel.
What? Still
What?
having nightmares, I see.
It's because you're here.
I can't shake them. They come every night.
That's what she said.
We'll put a stop to them. You'll see.
Okay. Broken lock, so that's where the crowbar comes in, right? Yeah! Alright. Can I take it back? Oh, no, it broke. Okay. God, enough with the brightness. If I could just turn off the whole transition to brightness thing, I could be fine. Oh my god, this is gonna kill me!
I guess it is a good place to hide it then.
God, you're talking to yourself now. What is this? What is this? Come on. A key. What? Why did I have a machine room key? Shirt! Fancy shirt!
4th of July.
But I see more shirts. Okay. No, no! Get in! The fucking! Got it! Got it! What is this? Oh. Okay. You have no means. Oh my god. No, 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 no. Crack it open. Oh god! He's right there! What am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to run for the door? Am I... Oh god. I can hear him. He's right in front of the closet. What do I do? Do I just sit here until he goes away? Can he go away? Or does he like... Is he gone? Hallelujah! Freaking Luya! Alright. That was crazy. Let's hope I never have to go toe-to-toe with those things ever. Woo-wee! That was crazy. Thank God for closets. Alright, you bastard. Come out. I know you're somewhere around here. I'm gonna whoop your ass! Well, not really. I can't. What is this? Oh. I came from that way. Okay. I haven't checked down here. Oh, of course I haven't. Oh my god, look at all the stuff I would have passed up. I'm a fucking moron. I don't need to waste a little now. Wait, no. I came from this way, not that way. What's down there? Hang on. Is there any more secrets? Nope. What if I break you? Nope, nothing in there. Okay. Let's go check down there. Or maybe I should just head for the machine room right away. Storage. That doesn't sound too bad. Storage is always a safe place. Better than going upstairs or downstairs. Every movie, whether you ascend or descend, someone's gonna die. Always stay leveled. Ground level! You'll be fine. Holy shit, it's dark down here. I don't fucking like this. Light this bitch up. Yep, I don't like it. Memo. The darkness in the storage feels strange and unnatural. Way to write that as a memo. Let's just keep lighting this bitch. Thank God for tinderboxes. boxes. Thank God I have enough. Instrumenta. What does that mean? God, it's fucking dark down here, bro. I don't like it. Ooh. Ooh. It's really dark. This is fucking balls, bro. How much oil do I have? I'll be fine. Maybe I should have just went to the machine room Like, I should have just went. I never should have come down here. Fucking regret. The feeling of regret just kills you inside. Is that a... Okay, drill part. Oh, I think I need that. I would have come down here anyways. Any more secrets boxes? Okay, thank you. Oof, this place is fucking freaky. Door, you are open. How convenient. I don't trust it one bit. I'm always so paranoid that my oil is gonna drain like fucking really fast. Oh shit. Okay, box. Treasure! Woo! Ladanum. Alright. I have resources up the ass. Look at that. Fuck. I'm almost scared of how much shit they're giving me. Yes, I know. Alright. We're getting out of here, Daniel. Don't worry. You're my best friend. Oh wait, I'm you. Whoa, dude. You schizophrenic? Maybe. Whoop. Brightness.
Please, let me go. I won't tell anyone, I swear. I just want to go home.
Let her go, bro. Let her go. She doesn't deserve this.
No! Get away from me! Leave me alone!
Who is it? It won't budge, meaning it won't open at all. Turn the box. Alright. Find a way to start the... Wait, no. Rubber from the cave-in is hindering the passage to the storage. Find another way to get through. Okay. Okay. Okay, so no point in going back down here. This must be important. Nope. 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 Can't use... Nope. Alrighty. Wasted my time. So, one more place to check, and that is right here. God, it is fucking dark. Oh my god. Nope, nothing in here. I don't want to touch anything yet. Just to be safe. Rug. Perfect place to hide a dead body. Dead bodies everywhere. Dead bodies. Dead bodies. Dead bodies. Dead bodies. Dead bodies. Turn the boxes. Alright, come here. Ooh. Joe part. Oh god, does he see me? Oh god, please. Does he see me? He sees me, doesn't he? Oh god. Oh god, he's going away. He's going away. Crap. I gotta stop the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and let the good times roll. See you next time. Bye.